So about a week ago, I tried filming a crochet daisy tutorial in under 60 seconds for my shorts. I feel like it got really good response. I decided to make a longer video to go more in depth on how to crochet these daisy flowers and to also show you what you can do with them. So without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. So for this project, I'm using two colors of yarn. You can use cotton or acrylic. In this one, I'm using Hobby Lobby's I Love This Cotton yarn in yellow, and also I don't remember the brand for this white yarn, but it's like a soft cotton blend. As far as crochet hooks go, you're going to want to keep to the recommendation on the package for the yarn. In this one, the size rubbed off on this crochet hook from Hobby Lobby, but I believe it's a 4.5mm to 5mm crochet hook. So to start this pattern, we're going to begin by taking our yellow color, whatever color we're going to use for the center of the flower, and we're going to form a magic circle. I know a lot of beginners have a really hard time with the idea of the magic circle. I'm not really sure where that comes from, but I promise you it's really simple. As if you're going to make a slip knot, you just want to loosen it and not pull it tight all the way to the hook. But once you form a magic circle, you are going to chain 2 to get to the height of a half double crochet. And we're going to be placing 8 total half double crochets into the center ring. So to do that, we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the center, yarn over, pull through. There's 3 loops on your hook, and yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And that is 1 half double crochet. So repeat this all the way around to get 8 total. Now we're going to make the petals, and we're going to attach the white yarn to the yellow. There are 8 total petals in this pattern because there are 8 half double crochets. That's why it's important to make sure that you get the gauge correct so that you have the right amount of stitches. I'm going to go ahead and tie off this tail end on the back of the center just so that it's out of my way, and I'm going to trim it off as well. To attach the white yarn, I pick a loop or stitch that is close to the tail end of the yellow because we're going to be working that strand in as we go. So I pull through the white and I tie that on. And both of these strands will be worked into the project. So to start this round, I'm going to pull up a white loop and chain 3 to get to the height of a double crochet. And in each stitch around, we're going to be placing 5 double crochets for 1 petal. So to do that, we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2 for a double crochet. Once we have 5 double crochets in each stitch, we're going to find our first. So I'm going to insert my hook into the top 3 chains that I originally did, and I'm going to attach that last double crochet with the first one by a slip stitch. And it kind of creates this bobble effect for the petal, and we're going to chain 2 after each petal before moving on to the next one. And when I go on to the next one, I'm going to go ahead and start with a double crochet to do another 5 while working in those tail ends. So continue that around until you have 8 petals, and I'll meet you back and show you how to complete the project. So I'm on my last petal here. I'm going to chain 2 like I normally would, and I'm going to find the back stitch of the first petal. It doesn't exactly matter where, as long as it fits nicely when you pull it together and slip stitch it together. But you're going to want to slip stitch into that back first petal, and we're pretty much done. And we're going to trim off the white, and I like to pull the strand through the loop to tighten it off. And that is it for your daisy. And you can have as many petals as you want. It just depends how many stitches you have in the center flower. Make sure it doesn't bunch. It should be a pretty, simple, dainty daisy or whatever kind of flower you want to make. And that is it for this daisy flower pattern. And remember, you can make sunflowers, you can change up the colors to make whatever kind of flower you want. As we head into spring, I really like this idea of incorporating flowers into different designs. Everybody remembers my sunflower crop top. That was really fun to make. I'll probably make another one of those and hopefully have it for sale soon on my website, thenorthstitch.com, so be sure to check that out. You can also incorporate flowers into coasters, into blankets and tops, and pretty much whatever you want. They're very flexible to use and work with, and they're very simple to make depending on the amount of petals you want to use and the colors. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, as always, place them below in the comment section and I'll do my best to get back with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you can be updated whenever I post a video. I appreciate all your help and support, and I will see you guys in the next video.